This video is over topic 37, number 1 through 6, practicing the metric conversion shortcut. So based on recognizing these prefixes, as long as you have all of them there, as you do in the formula sheet, corresponding to place values, then converting from one prefix level to another just means moving the decimal point. You don't change any of the digits. You don't change the order of the digits. You don't add digits. You don't round. The only thing that happens, you move the decimal point. Potentially, you then can take away extra zeros or need to add some more zeros. So, a book is 25.4 centimeters long. How many millimeters is that? So I find centi is my starting prefix. And I want to go to milli, the M prefix. Centi to milli is moving one place to the right, so that's what I do with the decimal point. So 254. Another way to look at it is if you think of the decimal point as being at the end of the given prefix, and then each prefix is a decimal place. But I want the decimal point to be at the end of the milli prefix. And you have that movement there. So 254 millimeters. Then find the height in meters of a child who's 135 centimeters tall. So if I think of, again, one way is to write, so the 5 is the centimeter, then the 3 is the decimeter, then the 1 is the base unit. And so the decimal point would go after the base unit for meters rather than the centimeters, or we can go from the given prefix from the centi to that's 1, 2 to the left to get to the base unit for the meters. So moving that decimal point from the unwritten at the end of the number, moving that 2 places to the left. Okay, number 3, we have 0.05 liters and wanting milliliters, the M prefix. So we're going from the base unit. We have liters. That's 1, 2, 3 to the right. So taking that decimal point, moving it 1, 2, 3 to the right, filling in with a 0, dropping the zeros at the beginning. So that would be 50 milliliters. Again, if you want to look at that as this is the just plain liters, this would be deciliters, centiliters, going to milliliters at the 0, and putting the decimal point at the end of the milliliters. How many liters are in 120 deciliters? So this is the deciliters, and we're going to just the plain liters. That is 1 place to the left. And so that would be 12 liters. And then 800 milligrams is how many grams? So this is milligrams. Then this would be the centi, this would be the deci, and we want the just plain grams. So that would be a 0 with a decimal point after it, or counting from the milli to the base unit, 1, 2, 3 to the left, moving that decimal point from the unwritten at the end of the number, 1, 2, 3 to the left. So 0.8 grams. And then number 6, 4.3 kilograms to grams. If this is kilo, 1, 2, 3 to the right. 4.3, moving that decimal point 1, 2, 3 to the right, filling in with zeros. It's going to be 4,300 grams. If we write the 4 as the kilo, then 3, then I need a 0 and a 0 to get to the base unit.